everybody. It's Melissa for Buckeye Girls Reason Thing. Today in Ohio it's probably 100 degrees. Guess what I'm doing? Drinking hot chocolate and making a fall wreath. Yeah, if you think I'm crazy, if you think that's normal, you hit the like button. And you're my sister. If you think I'm just lost my mind because it's 100 degrees outside, I'm drinking hot chocolate and making a fall wreath, hit that like button and tell me how crazy I am, because my husband thinks so too. And if you're on my video, you are my family, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you know when this crazy person uploads her next video. So here is our leopard print, black and white buffalo plaid wreath we're creating. Here's our sign, and here's the two bows I made probably in the last video you've seen, and I've already added them to the wreath, and I'm starting to add some fall leaves I got from Deco Exchange. And I also got the buffalo plaid ribbon and the orange pumpkin ribbon that's my favorite. I got that at Deco Exchange. Right here, that's from Deco Exchange. And it's my favorite. We're gonna do, this wreath is gonna be not just a circle, it's going to have some stuff at the top and some stuff at the bottom. Going to have some stuff at the top and stuff at the bottom. And my next thing I'm going to add is some leopard print pumpkins. You gotta have some leopard print pumpkins. And these leopard print pumpkins had twigs, and I spiraled the twigs because I thought that would look pretty neat. We don't want to take the tag off the leopard print pumpkins. These pumpkins, you can just easily pull them apart. They're that easy to work with. Okay, that didn't work out well. It bent. Let's try that again. That's some tough grapevine wreath right there. Some of these are a little smaller than the others. I'm going to grab one of the small ones. I may add the small one to the center. I thought about adding it to the center of my bow, but it don't stand out enough. So I'll add it here. I'll add this one here. And then I'm going to add some berries. I'm going to add some berries. Some stems of berries. I'm going to add a few stems of berries in there. Oh, that was hot. Wasn't expecting that. I'm going to trim this. See how long it is? I'm going to trim that down. Let me add that in here. Now add it up here. Berry here. Yeah. Add some berries over here. This gives it another texture with the little berries coming out. Then I have these little white flowers. I'm going to just add a few of those. Maybe one there. I'm going to do this flower in the center of that bow. Then I'll add this one here. Get rid of some cobwebs. That'll work for the fall, only on Halloween wreath. So keep your cobwebs for your Halloween. Yeah, it's okay. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more berries. Just like them. I think it needs a little bit more berries at the top. Add some more berries. All kinds of berries, berries, berries. These berries, I think. These berries here, I know where they go. And you look and you always turn their prettiest side forward. Okay, I'm going to trim this down. This is just way too long. And I'm going to add just a berry sticking out of here, out behind this leaf. And I'm going to do it on the same thing over here, just to give it some texture going up around, like it's going to grow up around that sign. And then I'm going to take these and I'm going to trim them down. I'm going to stick these where it looks like it's coming up, down, out of this bow. And then I have this one, so I'm going to work it where it comes down out of the bow up top. And there's our wreath. I have to attach the sign better, but here is our beautiful fall leopard print wreath. With black and white buffalo plaid and leopard print and pumpkins. I may add one more pumpkin to it. Thinking about adding these pumpkins for the last big accent. Yeah, I think it needs a couple orange pumpkins. Now that I looked at it on camera, because you guys get the better view than I do. Okay, now, see, you guys get the better view than I do. I have to snap a picture of it or see it on camera or whatever to go, it needs this or it needs that. But here is my buffalo plaid leopard print fall wreath. I have to adjust the ribbon and the tails on the ribbon and the loops, but that's what it looks like. Thank you for joining me, and please subscribe, like and subscribe. Join the family. We make some beautiful things, and I teach people to make beautiful things. And I also teach you some interesting new recipes for what to make for supper, because that's my biggest challenge is the what's to make for supper when I have because I have an at-home business. Thank you and have a good evening. Bye.